Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing extremely well, and this is your very own Mask Coder this side. So it is a lecture number 8 of the linked list series, and in this video we are going to discuss circular linked list. This is the last type of linked list that you will be studying, right? Up till now we have studied about single linked list, which we normally call as simple linked list, and now after that we have studied about doubly linked list, right, which has a previous and a next connection, right? Now, the last type of linked list variant is circular linked list. Circular linked list. So, a circular linked list is defined as a singly linked list whose tails next is head, whose tails next is equals to head. That is, here you can see that this is a single linked list which is 5, 6, 7, 9, and 9 is connecting its next to null, right? What is the head here? You can easily state that 5 is my head here and tail is ninth node, right? Now, ninth node is tail, and that means it is connecting to null, right? But circular linked list says that if you break this connection and instead the next of 9 will point towards your head, in that case it will be your circular linked list because it is forming a circle, as you can see, right? Now, the interesting fact about circular linked list is you have no distinction among head. You have no distinction among head. Any node can be head, right? So if you see this 5, 6, 7, 9, I can represent this linked list as 5's next is 6, 6 next is 7, 7's next is 9, 9's next is 5, right? So you can see you can assign any pointer as head, and the pointer, like if I assign this as head, then this will be my tail, right? If I assign this as head, then this will be my tail, right? Something else out of that, right? This is the circular linked list, right? This is the circular linked list. This is the easiest type of linked list you will be studying, right? Because not many questions come out of it. Many questions does not come out of it, right? Single linked list is the one which gives you a variety of questions. After the double linked list, which all works on the basis of arrays only, the questions of arrays and double linked list are actually very same, right? Talking about circular linked list, so this is your circular linked list, right? Now, the question can be that you have been given a head, right, and you have to tell whether this head is a part of a circular linked list or not, circular linked list or not, right? This is your question. How will you do it? How will you do it? The answer is simple. Suppose you have the given linked list as 5, 6, 7, 9, and this is null, right? This is not circular, right? What will you do? You will just, your head is here, you will keep your temp here, right, and keep traversing. So after one step my temp will come here, second step temp will come here, temp will come here, and temp will come null. The condition of the circular linked list is that you can never encounter null. You can never encounter null in a circular linked list. I don't think that this needs any reason, right? Because tails next is head, that means there is no null node in the circular linked list, right? But if the given linked list was something like this, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 9's next is 5, what will you do in that case? So you will say my head is here, let me make temp here also here, okay? Temp's next, temp will come here, temp will come here, and after that temp will again come to head, temp will again come to head. So you can say that I will keep traversing, and if my temp coincides with head again, in that case I will say that it is a circular linked list. It is a circular linked list, right? Also, our edge case of circular linked list is, suppose you have your 5 and 5's next is itself. Also, this is example of circular linked list. This is example of a circular linked list. So don't confuse it. This is also an example of circular linked list. Today's video is gonna be very short. So let us just solve the question of detecting a circular linked list, which we used here, right? Let us just solve it on the coding basis, and then we will move towards the next video. Alright guys, so here we are. This is the GFG platform, right? Now you have to return true if the linked list provided to you is circular, and false if it is not. The approach is same. I will say node star temp equals to heads next. First I will add the base condition that if my head is null, in that case return false. return false, return false, right? Moving to forward, I will say head is temp equals to head next. Now, while my temp, if temp equals to head, that means I have coincided. In that case, return true. Otherwise, temp equals to temp next. This is the only thing you have to do. As soon as your temp will get null, it will jump out of the loop and you can return false, because it can only come out of the loop if the temp is null, and circular linked list does not allow you to keep a null in it, right? So it is running fine for the submit. Let us try it for submit as well. Hope it will run fine. It is running fine, and thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, please keep practicing and keep coding. I know the video was short. You didn't got to learn much more thing in it. So I will try to bring the next video as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.